Hello Nila, and welcome to your website tutorial. So your website is based on Joomla. So to update your site, I would always recommend having one tab of your browser open on what we call the front end, and then we're gonna open 3 or 4 other tabs with another address. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So I'm just gonna copy this address here, paste it here, add the word administrator, which is a standard word for Joomla administration section. Then you will have a username and password yourself. Alright, I'm already logged in, so I'm already landing directly on this page, but you will have to enter your username and password. Once you're here, you copy paste the whole URL here, so the address, and you just copy pasting it here on 3 or 4 different tabs. I'll explain to you later why we do that. So one tab is going to be for the configuration. So before you start working on your site, the first thing you need to do is going to Site Global Configuration, click on System tab here, and then Cache, click on Off. So the cache memory, it will just use your website to be loaded way faster. But if you work on your site, on the content of your site, you will have trouble because you won't see the result right away because of this cache. So that you can see the results, you disable the cache, click on Save, and that cache is disabled. So your site will be a little bit slower during the time you're going to work on it, but at least you are going to see the results immediately. Alright, so now let's like the basic stuff, how to update your content. So basically you don't have many pages, right? So it's pretty easy to know where to go. We will leave this tab for the configuration, so this way we don't have to browse back to the configuration section. We're just gonna open the second tab here. Just gonna go to Components, K2, Items. So we just need to wait. Alright, and this is all the pages of your site. Right? So if you want to edit any of your page, you just click on one of them. That's very simple. So let's say you want to edit something on Dover location, you just click here. Now what we call the Wysiwyg Editor is popping up, and you just type whatever you want in here. Alright? You just type anything you want, and here you see it's like a small like word icon, so you can bold some of your text here, for instance. Alright. Now let's say you want to create a link to another website, for example. You just select what you want to link here, and you click on the link icon here. Click here, and then you type the address of the site. So if I type my address, for example, good stuff is always if you link something to an external URL, so an external website, so not a page of thornhillchildcare.com, always target it to be new window. This way your visitor still stay on your site when they click on the link, but it's gonna open a new tab or a new window. Alright? Now let's say you want to link this to another page of your site. Instead of typing the URL here, you're just gonna go there. So go in menu, just gonna use the main menu. All the other menu you don't really need to use them. And the main menu you have the hierarchy of the menu, standard menu. So about us, the location. So you just click on any of the pages here you want to link. Right? Parents, for example, parents page, and you see it updates automatically the URL. So you click here or click here, it's gonna update that, and once it's done, you just click on Insert. Alright? There's some link that does not show up that are actually present in the hidden menu. That's the family day home request, the employment application, the day home provider application, and the employee documentation, just in case you want to link to those pages. So once you've, and here, the targets, click on not set, okay? Because it's an inside page. And you just click on insert, and you can see now it looks like a link. Alright, so when you're done with doing this, do not forget to click on save. If you want to stay on this page and still editing stuff, you just click on save. If you want to go back to the list of pages, you just click on save and close. Now I'd say you want to update the image. Just go in image tab, and here, so this is our image. If you want to change it, for example, click on browse, and you go on your computer, and you will select the page you want to, the pictures you want to update. If you want to delete the pictures completely from a page, you just click there and click on save. Okay, so that's for the first part and the standard content edition.